Live, super, incredible 007 Mi6 James Bond airplane mission takeoff from Farnborough Airport, UK 25. Like to hear, press the thumbs up the right side of the screen. Time to note in distant on it, 17:30 PM in the afternoon. Look, that's 5:30 PM in the afternoon, and it is April 17th, Thursday afternoon, guys. 25. Here we go, 007 and James Bond Mi6 mission off the sunshine. Wow, what a sight! Go places, travel places. Sky Channel, Simon Jones. Thumbs up the right screen. Like travel places, go places. This is my friend Spikey and Jen Baby Friday. 3 to 5 pence. ITF things, Social Relation Friday. This is my friend, you name it. It's Nilu, Miss Shane, live on the Tuesday, 1 to 3 PM in the afternoon. This is my friend John Larshay every Sunday at 9 to 12 and live on the Woking Show Larshay for Jane. I travel places to go places. This is Squash on San Jones. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon here at Farnborough Airport. It's beautiful, isn't it? These Squash on San Jones, but fun's at the right side of the screen.